system much loud, plus I'm high off that fucking ink. Thinking of another and murder I committed. As I plan back, now I'm found and then I'm fucking laid with the magazine. Somebody's fucking with my hands played, and I'm kicking all of a sudden I'm out there fucking playing, man. Looking at my cat, man. Time to kiss the gas, man. Stop this steps and sit on my tank, falling down the avenue, drinking on that fucking book. Now it's time to go to school, checking in my system. I just miss some that I'm off the ground. Motherfuckers talking shit, so bitch I hesitate about it. It's a weed
Alrighty, guys, let's go. Welcome to the live stream. The bell just rang on this beautiful Monday morning. I got to look up the NYSE holiday hours because there is no trading this Friday for Good Friday, just so everybody knows that. This is going to be a short trading week, only 4 trading days here, but let's go. Let's make it 4 great days then, since we don't get Friday. But we're looking at the S&P 500 right off the bat. Actually having some pretty bad movement here overall, running to the downside at open. Everybody's watching those MJ stocks, and CGC actually did pretty good this morning. Ran above $8, got all the way to $9.50, but it's now pulling back. So that is a slight negative. Tilray's coming back down there too. MSOS, same story. MSOS is sitting a little bit better, but still for the most part, same story. Hey, hell yeah, Sean, let's go. Glad to have you here today. Christian, Xbox, Easy, Mike, Nuclear, LK, Tangy Man, CCJ, coming back in with the uranium stocks. I like it, Tangy. Jay Harris, what's up? And hey, thanks for subbing, Ty. If anybody else out there is new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Getting into the price action this morning, though, CCJ is actually one of the better stocks that I'm seeing so far this morning. We're not seeing a ton of fantastic movement up yet. SPY's trying to get going. Go over to our watch list here, and something's wrong. Ain't that great? Gotta love it, Thinkorswim. Gotta love it. Looks like I gotta restart that. They must have had an update or something. Switch over to NVIDIA, AMD, maybe SMCI. Looks like NVIDIA is sitting here around resistance, failing to break out, but not having any movement really so far. AMD's trying to move up after selling off hard this morning. They were one of the worst sell-offs I've seen today, down under 175. I mean, that is a pretty major spot. Definitely a big spot there to the downside. Wow. All the miners are up. Rio, NEM. Nice. NEM's been a big money play for a little while here. Oh, not that one. I swear there was another one on NEM. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we were just watching it, but either way, we've been watching NEM and these miners for a few weeks, waiting for him to get that big break. GOLD's been on the radar too with Barrick Gold. Now that big money play has actually been pretty fire. The one entered on March 11th has done so well, especially whenever it ran up last week. The one entered on February 23rd is even better. Down there at the bottom. That's the one I was thinking of. Zom's printing the oil stocks. Oh my god, another huge extension out of oil. Wow. Damn. That's a big run up there. Wow, Zom and the oil stocks. Let's go. Those are on fire today. That's a big move, Zom. All the way through 115. I can't even believe it just had that move this morning. Let's go look at crude oil. How are we looking there? It's not like it's blasting off or anything, so looks like they're just running up with their own price action today, which happens. We all know the oil stocks. Hey, what's up, Mason? I know that happens to me all the time, man. All the time. The days go by so fast now for me. It's crazy. Someone said, is ARM pushing Tesla in the Discord? Let's go see ARM. It's actually not bad today. Having a pretty good morning for a chip stock. Tesla's coming back too. That's why they asked that up to 175. Not bad, Tessie. Let me see the book map on Tesla here. Gotta reopen it back up. I think they had some updates, so had to update that. See if we can get it. Ha, nice title last night. Yeah. Yeah, Axel, I don't pick the titles, but yeah. It was a little different, wasn't it? Excuse me. Get yourself some Tilray, you can slow that day down. God damn, I'm coughing like I had the Tilray now. I can't laugh today or I start coughing. I do need some though, Sean. Hey, here we go. Let me install these real quick. Bam. All good. Open our workspace. All stocks. Let's go. While that loads up, let's get back to the charts. Got that 1 minute chart going on Tesla. They are still rejecting around that 175 mark, so not good there. Yeah, we talked about that last week. Mason, that was funny. It really sucks, man, because, like, if we change it up, it's like YouTube gives us the finger, you know? What's up, V? Xbox said Apple. Is Apple coming back? Okay. I was going to say, I didn't think so, but had to make sure. They're actually falling off a little bit. Could almost look at puts to the downside. Apple's had some pretty bad news lately. I know that a lot of people out there have been looking at this bad news. Now they just got antitrust issues with the DOJ. I mean, it just gets worse and worse and worse for Apple. Boeing, yeah, I was actually looking at them last night, but this morning, they're just, they were up a little bit, up to like 197, almost 200, which is major resistance. So I don't think that there's too much opportunity on Boeing here, especially considering the way that it pulled back just now. Not my favorite thing to see in the short term. Switch over to Citigroup and the banks, which are continuing to move. It's too bad, though, because I would love Boeing. Watch that $200 area. Yeah, the banks are doing okay. They're not the best. Not the worst, not the best. Take a look at Palo Alto. PANW. I believe Nancy Pelosi bought in. Yeah, she did. She's been getting crushed on this one. Maybe she needs some losses to write off this year or something. I don't know. Either way, though, looking pretty rough for her. Ticker symbol PANW. Yeah, that is a rough move. Brutal, Nancy. Brutal. Oh, yeah. Ford's still going, Logan. That's right. Ford's starting to break out. I really like the daily chart on Ford here, guys. Seriously, one of the better daily charts that I've seen in the short term here. Very consistent stair steps to the upside. And whenever we get this good breakout that's setting up right here, this should be an amazing runner. So watch for Ford. Watch for it to break this range. I would say the official number to make break would be like 1310. 1310. If it can break 1310, calls will be awesome to play here over the next couple days. Let's check it, though. It's Ford. It's been having good movement. Hopefully it can keep up. Those options can pay out quite well on Ford sometimes. General Motors is in the same boat. Also around resistance, starting to break. Zoom out. They've been doing a little bit better, even. But yeah, good to see the car companies doing this. How's Toyota? For anyone who wasn't here last week, I'm actually buying a Toyota. I guess technically my girlfriend's buying a Toyota, but you know, who does all the research on it and who's going to be paying for it for most of it? Man, I know just about everything there is to know about a RAV4 now. Every trim level, every option, everything. Google puts? No way. Are you eyeing up Google for some puts? Looks like a pretty good setup. Yeah, not bad. A lot of good downside volatility this morning. It does kind of suck to see since there are some stocks running up, but the SPY is not moving up too much, so that's okay. It's A-okay. I'll be real with you guys. I'm not necessarily loving a lot of the price action today. My favorite setups with Ford. Look at Meta selling off. Wow. They're almost a $500 even on this push down this morning. They had a sharp rejection to the downside. Damn. Friday, I was actually watching them for a breakdown off of that 506.50 resistance. They ended up breaking back above it end of day and running up slightly, as you can see here on the chart. It's too bad they didn't reject there and get a big extension. That could have been a great setup with that resistance right there. Looks like a play where most people probably stopped out in this area. Moving down good this morning, though. You can see, again, right off of that same exact resistance level right there. Same exact level. Multiple bounces again. Hallelujah. All right, let's go look at Boeing. Okay. Still pretty harsh move back. They had that good run this morning, though. In pre-market. ZOM is still going nuts, guys. The oil stocks are really where it's been at the past few days, man. They've been very consistent. They might not have those big, like, 5% runs, but, you know, some of these moves from, like, open to the high of day are pretty good. I would say that today it is getting closer towards the end, though, rather than the beginning of its run here. It's a pretty big move there. Look at Friday, how it ran up a lot at open and then consolidated all day. Hopefully we don't see that. Hopefully we see better continuations. It is an oil stock, though. All the speculative small caps are up like 4 to 5%. Let's see the watch list here. I know that Lucid had some good news this morning. That was pretty fire. Them being at the top of the watch list reminded me of that. Let's see, Coinbase here, 5%. Nice one, Coin. Very nice. Coinbase is on fire today. You know what else is on fire? Disney, all the way up to 119. Whoa, Disney. Look at the daily of them right now. That is nuts. Just continuing to go. Let's go, Mickey Mouse. Hell yeah, guys. Where's all those Disney haters at that were, you know, talking shit at $80? Like I kept saying, it's okay to talk shit, but man, let's make some money. FSR is halted. Fisker. Oh, God. Yeah, I see why. What a bad move. Poor Fisker. What else is looking good here on the watch list? CCL has earnings this week. They're moving up so far today. We have ARM. Good move by ARM. I know that they were up a lot earlier. Someone asked about them in Tesla. SMCI, similar to ARM. Good movement. Up above 1,000. Okay. They got a long ways to recover, though, but wow. Pretty good candles today. Can't lie there. Calling it out on the SM bot as well. PayPal was on the bot and disappeared. CVS Health, nothing. Oxy got the resistance. Now it's starting to come back a little. Same thing with I really like that move with Disney, though. That has me excited. ET, Bob and Fran, energy transfer? No way. This stock pays an insane dividend, but this stock kind of, I don't know. It pays an insane dividend, though. I gotta give it that. Let's go look on FinViz what the dividend is nowadays. Ticker symbol ET, energy transfer. This will blow your guys' mind. Dividend, around 8.25%. Okay. It used to be a lot higher. Obviously, the share price and everything dictates that a little bit, but looking at the stock here, pretty insane movement by it. It's good to see it coming back since 2020. Huh. I haven't looked at ET in a long time, but I used to trade this one for the dividend back in like 2017, 2018. I guess you don't trade it for dividends, you invest in it for dividends, but still. You guys get the point. Yeah, Sean, I actually did see that chart that you posted. Sorry about that. I saw that chart with Disney. Sean, something with that is, I was actually wondering on that chart, it says Disney quarterly. I could not draw a trend line like this, though, on my chart. I don't know. I could not. Like, whenever I went back and I tried to do that. Does this have, like, dividends counted or something like that, Sean? Because I wasn't able to get a trend like that going. If I go to, like, a monthly or weekly chart or anything. See, like, the 2000s kind of ruined the trend there. Or, like, you know, they're nowhere close to it right now anyways, I guess. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. I don't know. Maybe I'm missing some data or something, but... See, it just doesn't quite line up when you get to, like, the 80s area, but it does line up pretty good here. From, like, 94 to here. I do like that trend, though, that you showed. I was questioning it a little bit over the weekend. I was like, I can't get that to line up like that. Like, see how they have the 2009 low and starting to come up? Mason said it stopped at 2023. I think it's just, it's a quarterly, so we're not seeing that. It's definitely up to date because it's at like 114 or 15, which is right at today's, but, or was. I was though, like, if you go to that 09 low, like, I cannot connect anything to that 09 low from the past and have it, unless my trading view chart is skewed a little bit or something. Wait, hang on. Maybe it was my chart. Yeah, I could see that. Probably just squeezing it on there really is what's going on. NVDA, let's see. Got to get back to the stocks that are moving here today. And up to 954. Yeah. Christian said 952 a second ago. It really broke it. Wow. That was a good green candle there. Gotta love it. Going to Micron, it's at its high of day, 116. Nvidia's at the pre-market high right now, 954-ish. We're seeing some great movement out of these chip stocks. This is pretty good. Even the daily on Nvidia looks pretty fire today. Yeah, Mason, it might not be false, Mason. I have a feeling that it's trading views like shrinking it to fit. I think that that's what's going on. I think it's shrinking to fit on trading view. Just so we're aware. I'm gonna try it on TOS real fast, see what happens. Yeah, even on Thinkorswim, it doesn't really line up. There's something that they're doing with like dividends counted or something maybe like that. I would think. Because I definitely can't get that to line up. He might have been, Mason, I don't know. Thoughts on SoFi? You know, SoFi's been gaining a lot of traction lately. They're starting to come back very well today. We go to the daily chart. They're starting to come up off the low. I actually like it. I like this setup right now. They're having a nice green candle. Looks like they are starting to change from this slight downtrend that they've been in. Let me clone this baby. Yeah, kind of like channeling down here. I like this though. It's towards the support. Holding very well at like the 730 area as well. So I overall like the setup here on the daily, which I would think that this week we could see a couple more green candles come in. Not sure how much more it's going to have in the tank today, but I could see some more green definitely tomorrow, next couple days, especially if we see the banks continuing to have decent moves or just holding high. It's like JPM's actually coming down. I know SoFi is not really connected to the major banks too much. They're not quite on the level of JPM yet, but Sean said he can't get TOS to go back further than 1985. I can't either on this one. But even just drawing it out, it doesn't line up with the 09 low still. All right, bring up the watch list again. Charge point. Plug power. Some of the EV charging stocks. Don't know why they're popping up today. It's not a lot, though, so I would say nothing crazy yet. Ticker symbol LUV for Southwest Airlines. Sean goes, it's way off. I've been had again. Yeah, Sean, I can't remember what day you posted that, but I remember seeing it. I looked, and I was like, what's up with this? Sean always says the funniest shit, guys. It always gets me cracked up. I've been had. Like, just the way. It's the way it comes out, I guess. Switching over to Halliburton. HAL, another energy type stock. Oh, hang on. I'm not even on the right one. Here we go. Here's Halliburton. If you're on TradingView and you type in HAL for Halliburton, be careful. It actually pulls up an Indian stock. Hindustan Aeronaut. I don't know what that is, but... sounds like some type of aeronautical company, though. If I had to guess. Wow, great play by Derek in the Profits channel on ZOM already. Looking good. Got a few 100%. That's nice. Halliburton. Damn. Pretty good run, though. Let's go back to look at ZOM real quick. Still holding up well. CVX, same deal. Oxy. Yeah, they're all three having similar moves, holding fairly close to the high of day for now, but they have been pulling back slightly. That's how the oil stocks roll. We know that. All right. Switch back to General Motors, Ford. Keeping my eyes on those two stocks. You got to keep your eyes there. How's CGC today? The weed stock still coming back. Yeah, you're right, Sean. You shouldn't. That's right. $6.40 support on CGC. I actually had a level around 630. Got pretty close. Tom hasn't been feeling the best today. Don't know what's up. I'll have to show you guys my fantasy draft, my fantasy team. I'll send it in the off-topic channel to you guys. You guys can't know the name of my team, though. That's a problem. Can't know the name. My team's not the best, but the pre-ranking shit has me at 3, so that's good. On Fantasy Pros rankings. Wow, nice juice. Beautiful gain today. 45% on Zom calls. Nice one. Yeah, that was a nice move. Love it, Juice. Very nice. Let's go. Yeah, the oil stock starting to pull back now a little bit, but good job TPing up there. That's awesome. CVX here too. They're all starting to consolidate / fall back slightly, so keep that in mind. Hope you didn't get Otani. He's going down. No, I didn't. Yeah, I do, Jason. Let's see. I deleted a lot of my lines to clean up the chart, but major resistance on QQQ, overhead right around 444.30. It's a pretty big spot. Even like this 444 area, low key, give or take like 40 cents there. But 444 I have is pretty decent support / resistance. Major resistance over there around 446.50 to 447. The main thing I'm looking at for these are those hits that happened a couple weeks ago, right here. You can see a lot of these hits. Hell yeah, DJ. I love it. I love your profile pic too, DJ. That's one of the better ones I've seen out there. I'm not gonna lie, that's a good one. Micron looking great. Yeah, let's get the book map on MU real fast. We'll subscribe to that while that loads up. Oh, wow. Hell yeah, no wonder. It broke Friday, and well, it broke the high of last week, right around 115. Blasted through it. Up to 116.64. You gotta love it there. Let's go. Yeah, Logan. All right, here we go. MU on the book map. All right, I see 118, 120 overhead. 190,000 shares at 120. Holy shit. So you might be able to look for a nice run up into that 120 resistance. That would be pretty sick if it could test that today. Is this all-time highs? It's gotta be, right? Yeah. All-time highs. Wow, that's a great run by UMU. AMD's having a good move back. after getting killed this morning. Of course. Gotta love SpongeBob. Yeah, exactly. I'm ready. I'm ready. Nvidia struggling to break up. Yeah, it's struggling, but it's having fairly good movement. I'll give it that. This like 959, 960 resistance is pretty large. It's right around its all-time high. Let's see it on the book map. Why not? I'm sure I have it. Yep. All right, yeah. Definitely 960, pretty big area on Nvidia. It actually broke the larger area this morning around 950 early on, so that was good. Yeah, Darth, there is a lot. There is quite a bit. That's why it's awesome to join the premium, especially while there's a discount going on right now. Use code BIGMONEY at checkout for a yearly discount. If you want, you can use code PROFIT24. Try it out for a month if you want, but the yearly discount will be gone by the end of that month, so keep that in mind. But let's go, Darth. We've been seeing a lot of crazy moves out of the bot lately, too. The premium Surge bot plays have been on fire. The plays on Friday, we had a 62% runner, 27%. Google failed. SPY went up 11%. NVIDIA went up 49%. And Mike was talking about the weed stocks, too. Thursday was even better. Multiple 100%ers on Thursday. It's been awesome lately with the market getting volatile. Bot's been really capitalizing. Should do a code called catnip. I'll let you ask Mike about that one, Jane. That'll be a funny one. Jane, you should ask that on the live Q&A. Hey guys, remember it's almost April 1st. Remember, we got to get some April Fool's joke going on here. We'll find something. We got to find something to do. Got to prank them, right? Sure thing, I can bookmap SMCI for you. Let me pull it up on the real chart, too. Super Microcomputers. What a name. Just the name makes it sound techie. Right, here we go. SMCI. There it is. I was going to say, I swear I had it up. Dang, bookmap. Yeah, so it looks like 1,050, then 1,060, but there's really not too much here. Buyers are coming in underneath. I'd say it's looking pretty good here. There's not too much overhead. No more trading. So you get buy and sell signals on options contractors as straight shares. It's buy signals on options contracts, Darth, and there's a lot of tools that go into it as well. Let me grab you the video really fast. Darth, check out this video, man. I'm gonna post it in the chat. If you guys don't know what the premium portion of our Discord is like, watch this tutorial video. This will show you how to use it. It'll show you multiple different aspects of the Discord there. So check that out. It'll even give you like a little preview of what some of the plays look like, for example, and it's pretty good. It's pretty darn good. Michael explained it and everything too. Also, whenever you're in the Discord, check out #KeyLessons. #KeyLessons. That's a good channel. A lot of stuff showing you how to do things correctly, how to not mess up the bot plays, how to play the Surge bot. Here's another video. Cue these two up and you guys will learn a lot about the Discord if you don't know about it yet. But yeah, NVIDIA really blasting here. 963.50 now, continuing its ascent. There we go. The other day I said something weird, guys, and it was funny. I said ascending to the downside. I don't know how that's possible, but it had me laughing. I was like, oh no. I was like, that's real. I was just kidding though. Hey, Jane, $80 today. Nice one, Jane. Nice one, nice one. That's not bad. We're almost to that $100 mark that we talked about. That's cool, Jane. Nice. What the heck? Give me 1 second here, guys. Give me 1 sec, 1 sec. Right, all right, all right. Need 1 sec. Good movement, though, overall. Still by AMD and NVIDIA. I like to see that. Somebody needs some help with Discord real quick. Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome here. All right, going over to QQQ, going crazy. Got to bring up the SM bot here, guys. One of the best screeners, one of the best parts of the premium Discord, in my opinion. Really like the SM bot all day. Calling out Amazon calls right now. On fire, Amazon is. You use this bot like a screener, so just because it's calling it out doesn't mean to play it. But it usually shows you some pretty good momentum. And then you can make the decision once you go look at it. But even Mara today, all over the bot, looking pretty hot. Coinbase was good this morning too. Yeah, base. Check out this link. And just click yearly whenever you click sign up. It'll give you an option for monthly or yearly. And then just enter the code big money at checkout. And you got it, base. Yeah, it didn't call NVIDIA, unfortunately. There must be something with NVIDIA's options where they're way overpriced or something right now. So it doesn't want to, Jane, but... Or they're just simply not running like some of these other options are. I wonder why, though. I'm kind of curious as of why. Myself. Because it definitely has a lot in the past, so... They're not NVIDIA and chilling. Yeah, definitely not. I was red last week by 200, winning again. Nice, Jane. Glad to hear that. Glad to hear that. MicroStrategy on fire. Man, these techie stocks this morning, or AI stocks, whatever you want to call them, they are on fire. Even better than the oil stocks. Like, much better. Done for the day. Nice, first last. Kevin made 100% on MU call options a minute ago. Man, guys, throw some dubs in the chat for the winners today. We had some good ones. We had DJ with some good wins. We had Jane, Kevin, first, last. Hell yeah, throw them up. That is cool. Let's go, guys. Hitting the dubs. Oh yeah, hit that like too, guys. We're at 22 likes. These are some rookie numbers here. Don't forget, guys, I know for you guys that joined up slightly later, we are off this Friday for Good Friday, so keep that in mind. The next time we'll be off after that is May 27th, so it'll be about 2 months till we get off again, but yeah, no trading this Friday. I actually forgot about this. I was pretty surprised to hear this yesterday. I was like, wow, really? I feel like we've had so many short weeks this year. It's uncanny, but it's probably normal. MSTR, just look at Bitcoin's chart. Yeah, pretty similar. Pretty similar to Bitcoin's chart. MSTR can be nice. The only problem is, I guess, is really just the price of it. I know that turns some people off. It makes Coinbase, you know, a lot more enticing, I guess, or Mara or Riot, but let's see how much MSTR's options are for this week. Let's see. Yeah, we're looking at like 19 grand or like, I don't know, like $10,000 at the money. Or $1,000, I mean, for the weeklies. If you go out to like June, then they get into like a pretty crazy range. 4,600 a contract. Yeah, not too bad. It just you know, whenever then you switch over to something like Mara, and it's like, oh, I can do it for $100 a contract this week. Yay. You know how it is. Give me one moment here. Okay. My wedge is finally supposed to come today. It's been 35 days. Whoa. That's a long time for a wedge. Damn, I just would have went to the golf store and had him bend it for me and everything too. At that point. 1 to 2K a day, Jay Harris. Nice. Love to hear that. QQQ and Spy running back. Boeing's doing nothing, but woof, these chip stocks, AI stocks are on fire. SMCI just continues to have amazing momentum here. I mean, amazing momentum. So fire. Oh, it was on back order. Ah, it happens, man. Yep, that happens. Of course. Of course, right? That would piss me off, too. Definitely would. Yeah, QQQ coming back alive, though. We're seeing good movement back to the upside. Mainly out of these smaller stocks, or I'm not going to say small stocks, but mainly chip stocks. And then as we can see here, they're like, you know, Dwack and Affirm, Blink, you know, a lot of these small caps, I guess we'll call them. Blink. Man, MU is like 6% though. The chip stocks really stole the show. Lucid did pretty well in pre-market. Don't know if you guys saw that news with them and Saudi Arabia. I spelled that wrong. Saudi news. There we go. Yep, investment of $1 billion by affiliate of the Public Investment Fund, which is a huge fund in Saudi Arabia. They call it the PIF. It's huge. Apparently, he's just the affiliate of that, but still. And hey, guess what happened, guys? Boeing CEOs to step down, too. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but that was kind of funny this morning. I saw it, and I was like, yeah, this was a long time coming. I wonder what the over-under was on this one, because, woof, I bet you people were predicting this one out the wazoo. It was only a matter of time. I'm not going to say it's all this guy's fault, but I don't know. They need something to shake up. Yeah, Xbox. I saw it a lot this morning. Nice. What do you guys use? I use like X100 golds or something like that in my shafts. I don't know exactly what they're called though. I don't know. They had to. Sacrificial lamb, baby. What? Jason says pause manufacturing. They should have stepped down weeks ago. For real, man. I'm surprised it took so long. That's what's weird. Yeah, those executives got screwed on that one, but... Oh, well, they should have been coming out saying more stuff, and... Boeing had to sacrifice. Ah, I see now, Jane. I see now. I'm focused on like 50 things sometimes during these streams, so sometimes I miss the context a little bit. Tilray, CGC, let's see them. Nothing. Come on, weed stocks, let's go. Pissing me off today. No one wants to see this. We want to see some good uptrends coming in. Yeah, parachute, Jason. With diamond stitching. They probably have their own private Boeing planes. I don't know if they have that much or not, but... Hey, first last. First last, are you in here? I need you to private message me on Discord so I know your username. If you can do that. Give you some access there. Made of silk, yeah. Golden silk. That's funny. Palantir, still trying to run up. Let's go back to Disney today. Coming back down slightly. What about DraftKings? They're pulling back from 49 last week. That was such a big run out of DraftKings up to that high. Gosh, guys, that was insane here in the short term with DraftKings. It's awesome. It is awesome. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. SM bot time. CLSK Clean Spark still all over it. What is up with Clean Spark today? It's like these EV companies, whether it's Lucid or Clean Spark or even like Blink Charging. It's like they're on fire this morning. Clean Spark. What a run. AMDE puts. You must just mean AMD. But I'm not too sure about puts on this one today. It's running up into resistance at 180, I guess. That's a huge level. I guess you could play puts off that. It's just not my favorite setup overall, if I'm being honest. Kind of a good move back up today, but I don't know. I'm not 100% onto the puts, though. It's been good to the downside, don't get me wrong there, but... At least not with the current setup. I want to see some more substance to the move first. A, M, D, E, F, G. I'm going to be singing that a lot with my daughter going on here. She'll be 4 months old in a few days. I think 4 months. Yeah. 4 months old. She's been a little cutie. Let me show you guys a picture of her. We'll do a little check-in with her real quick. She had some nice Easter pictures going on over the weekend. Now, this Easter bunny looks scary as hell, guys, so don't freak out about the Easter bunny here. I'm surprised that she was okay with it, actually. Because this Easter bunny looks... To put it nicely, this Easter bunny looks fucked up. Okay, here, look at this. There we go. There she is with the bunny. She's a little sweetie. That bunny really does look like some type of horror movie where the guy dresses up as a bunny or something. I mean, man, that bunny's eyes are scary. But she liked it, so yeah, she was being good. It was cool. I didn't get to go, sadly, because we were recording for Stocked Up yesterday. Sad face, but it was all good. She had fun with her mom. Here's a better picture. All right. Yes, baby pics, Jane said. Yeah, she seems happy. Jane's oldest is 27. They're older than me. Jason said my oldest just turned 26. Man, that's my age. Yeah, the Easter bunny does look scary. Yeah, yeah, for real, Kevin. That's funny. Yeah, she does seem happy, Jane. She did. She was happy. It was cool. It was cool. Those bunny... Exactly, Kevin, exactly. It was freaky. Looking in the picture anyways. Like I said, I didn't get to go, but... Wow, huge support around 170 on Apple. Bouncing all over the place. Tank Daddy said Apple Bookmap. For sure, I bet 170 is pretty big, or it was. Oh yeah, it definitely was at one point here today. You can see it open, it was really dark red. And they kept coming in. It's kind of acting as support now. I don't see too much overhead though with Apple. Maybe like 170, 50, 170, 20 right here. But... this isn't my favorite book map to look at. No problem, Tank. Okay, gotta go. Finally well enough to catch up on some chores and get ready for Easter. Let's go, Jane. Let's go. Have a great rest of your week. See you later, Jane. See you later. Big drop off with Apple though, overall today. down around that 170 support. If that re-breaks today, that could be a good move down. Good potential play to the downside there. Man, MU calls are all over the bot right now. I mean, all over it. There's like 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like 14 MU callouts on there or something. Like, what? It's nuts. Crazy moves with MU. Look at those runs. Really gotta like that. Got to love it. Man, what moves? How's SoFi? All right, starting to come back slightly. FedEx is getting some movement. What? The downside, too. Down under 280 today. Kind of confirming off there, too. I like it. Today is quite the mix, isn't it? SPY is almost a break even. It's been recovering back, but slowly but surely. See it kind of stair stepping. Nothing too crazy, though. In reality. Switch over to CNBC. Go see some more news that's been coming out. Nelson Peltz withholds votes from Disney CEO Bob Iger in proxy battle. What? Oh, I saw this morning too, guys. This was pretty big. EU launches probe into Meta, Apple, and Alphabet under sweeping new tech law. Anti-steering rules? Huh. Oh, self-preferencing on Google search. Apple's rules on steering in the App Store. Meta's pay or consent model. Wow, okay. Quite a bit going on in these investigations. We're seeing Apple get hit with an antitrust lawsuit from the DOJ too. Sheesh, it don't get much worse for them, does it? And they're sitting right at 170 again today. Will we see a breakdown? I'm gonna do a poll. All right, vote it up, guys. Here we go. Vote it up. Pretty crazy movement, though. Yeah, Lynn, it is, isn't it? It's freaky. Do I see Tesla going to $1,000 a share again? That's a tough one. I don't know that I could see 1,000 again. I think it's possible. I think it's possible. But it's not going to be quick. You know, it's going to take a long time. I still think there could be a lot of craziness with Tesla. We get MU off here. Going to add Boeing onto the book map. Pull it up for somebody real quick. Yeah, 100 years. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm looking at. And it might not ever get back to there, you know. The valuation of Tesla at those prices were insane. That's a pretty big spot on Boeing's book map overhead at like 191.70. That's insane. That's a big stack up there on Boeing. 100,000 shares at that level. Only if they approve the MJ or the weed stocks. I would love to see the MJ and stocks get going. Come on, MJ stocks. Let's go. They better approve them, god damn it. It's been too long. Yeah, I know, right, Mason? I don't know how she didn't cry. All the other ones were charting. Pretty cool. How about, at very least, legalize fully in South Dakota? Why South Dakota, Sean? For sure, Yaxel, have a great rest of your Monday. A great week as well if I don't see you again. Hopefully we see you here tomorrow, though. Speaking of Tesla, let's go back to it there. Oh, 20 minutes from the border. Oh, that'd be nice. That'd be really nice there. That's how it was in Missouri. You know, I live like 30 minutes from the Illinois border, and that's essentially exactly what happened. $20 miles from the border. That's not too bad. All right. Nano Dimensions. No one's talked about this stock in a long time. Looking at it, I see why. It's just flat. A lot of flatness going on. Hey, first last, are you still in here? No way, guys. Guys, Truth Social or DWAC, DWAC, is gonna start trading as DJT. For Donald Trump, I guess. Donald John Trump. That's interesting. That's gonna be a weird stock, huh? Gonna trade as DJT. Or it just says that the media firm will soon start trading as that. I don't know if they necessarily mean it's DWAC. I would assume that's what they mean, though. Yeah, that's cool, Sean. That's pretty crazy there. Big support around 190 with Boeing, though. Definitely a pretty big support. Like to see it. Xbox said that's no surprise to me. Yep. All right, where's that money flowing to? Where's that money flowing? The SM bot definitely slowed down a lot. Tesla's almost tempting for a dip buy here. Bouncing around 170, not too bad. Definitely not too bad at all. Give me 1 sec, guys. Gotta grab a water. I'll be right back. 1 sec. All right. You guys ever wake up in the morning and you're like, what happened to my teeth? Sometimes they feel like they moved overnight or something. All right. Money is into the XLE sector. The energy sector? I could see it. Zom and everything's been on fire. I could see this. A lot of big money plays on them recently, too. Yeah, really good. Good movement there. Oil's definitely my favorite sector of the day, even though it might not necessarily be as good as like Nvidia was or ARM or something or SMCI. Still think it's great. I should have known to buy puts on Lucid. I've watched this stock every day since I got in. It was never holding a 20% move. I put the Mag 7 and SPY all on the same chart? Weeble stops you at 5. I think it only lets you do 1 on here. Let me try. Apple. We'll do Microsoft. We'll do Amazon. We'll do Tesla. We'll do Nvidia. What else is in the Mag 7? Give me 1 sec. Gotta help somebody with this real fast. All right. All right, what am I missing on the Mag 7 here? We got 6 or 5. Let's see. What am I forgetting here? Meta and Tesla. Meta's 1. Meta. And Google. Bam, there we go. Yeah, Sean, it does let you. Look at that. Let me turn my drawings off. There we go. We know Nvidia is the one far and above. Google's not bad. Meta, Tesla are rough. Oh yeah, you guys got it. Xbox, that would be kind of funny. I bet someone would think that. Yeah, I love TradingView. And this is actually the free version of TradingView, too. I don't really have too big of a reason to pay for TradingView. If I need anything, I just go straight over to Thinkorswim, because they'll have everything I need over there. Sean liked it. Nice. Very nice. Switch over to Meta. I haven't looked at them too much today. They were falling off a lot at open, but they came all the way back. Bounced around 500 this morning. That's pretty good. Beautiful, though. Apple almost looks rough again. Not good, Apple. A lot of consolidation here. It's not necessarily bearish yet, but this almost looks like a dead cat bounce type of setup here. I'm definitely going to keep my eyes on this. That upper resistance will be very important. Make sure that breaks. Xbox thinking of opening a position on Amara for the April 26th expiration. Opening a position on Mara. Mara does not look too bad. I like this green candle today. It might show that it'll stair step up. I could see another good couple days coming out of this. Maybe to retest like the 25 resistance. Like a nice $3 move. And Lisa said, do you have to have that crappy music? A lot of people like the music, Lisa. Sorry about that. Whenever I switched the music, everyone got mad. If you like the music, throw it in the chat. It shouldn't be too loud, though, I don't think. Kevin likes it. Right, Mara. I like the daily setup, though. Overall good. 5-minute chart. Not too bad either. 2250 resistance here today in the past couple days. So looks like that's where it slowed up this morning. But overall, decent run back. Bitcoin's been looking great. Look at Bitcoin since open. Almost back up to 70K. Looking good, Bitcoin. I'm definitely watching 70K as resistance. It's going to be another tough spot. Switch over to the MJs, Tilray. Going crazy. Don't forget to vote up with Apple. Will they succumb to all the short-term pressure? Vote it up. Yes, the stock will fall. Is winning right now. Probably end that poll in just a few minutes. All right, QQQ. Keep stair-stepping. Keep stair-stepping. Let's get back up to like 440, 650 today. That would be nice. Hopefully NVIDIA and SMCI and the chip stocks keep running to push you higher, QQQ. There goes AMD above 180. There it is. Gotta like that. I've accounted for over $1 million of income for 3 different insurance agencies during this stream. Wow. That's a lot, Sean. $1 million of income. Why is that, Sean? Is that because, like, you did, like, some pretty big plans or something? Or, like... That's pretty crazy. Getting somebody the Costco book map real quick. Got the Costco going for him. Speaking of Costco, I haven't looked at them yet today. They're kind of falling off a little bit. Down under the recent trend. Not good. No, just routine accounting on these agencies, but they're huge. I see. Is coin hitting $300 in the next 30 days if Bitcoin keeps moving? If it keeps moving, I could see it hitting 300 within 30 days. It's just starting to break the recent high. I would think a 300 retest could be in the cards pretty soon. Judging by Coinbase's movement, and who knows, it could be up there in 3 days. With how much this thing's ran. And just a couple weeks ago, the thing, well, last week, the low of the week was like 215 and the high of the week was like 276. That's like $50 difference right there. Yeah, I could see a nice like $20 move this week. I could see that. Maybe even next week too. This is only a 4-day week, so got to keep that in mind. But yeah, I could see that. Bitcoin's looking great. Just watch that 70K resistance. That's really the big scare right here. Xbox, I've been watching them. They are still in. They actually are still in. But they could have shorted those calls. We never know. You know, so that's... Whenever you look at the big money plays, those plays could be short. Just so everybody's aware of that. You never know, but of course you're guessing it. All right, guys, gonna end the poll. 27 votes, not a ton today, but yes, Apple will fall. Won the vote by quite a bit with 44% in the middle, and no came in under that. So pretty good poll today. Apple's had so much short-term pressure. Tim Cook might be in trouble. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe, I don't know. Either way, though, I really appreciate you all joining up on the live stream today. We're probably going to end it here. Pretty good start to the week. You know, we saw a few tech stocks moving. Nvidia was fire. ZOM was amazing early on. CVX, a couple other oil stocks. We did see some decent runners today. DWAC had some news. They're starting to move. They're up like 11% right now. This stock actually looks pretty good today. DWAC. It's been pretty volatile the past couple weeks, but let's go, guys. Yeah, I'll catch you on the Discord. 100%. See you there, Jason. See ya, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Let's go. This early morning price action on SPY. It's starting to move back up again. QQQ looking good. Extending back. Let's go. Let's see a nice move up today. Maybe we'll be making new highs again soon. See you later, guys.